Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, this customer is taking advantage of some broken parts on his car to do an upgrade. So a couple of the dampers are leaking on the front of the vehicle, so we're replacing those with some new factory items, and then one of the springs is broken as well. So you're going to be upgrading the springs to some AST lowering springs. Now AST offer a couple of different options for this particular platform. Obviously this being a Seat Leon Cupra, it's part of the MQB family, so same as like the Mark 7 Golf and also the Audi S3 A3 line. So they do a 20mm lowering kit, and they also do a 30mm lowering kit. This particular customer is going for the 20mm. So we're going to drop the ride height by about 20mm, reduce the arch gap, and he's also asked us to fit some spaces to the rear of the car as well, so it's going to push the wheels out a little bit further. So yeah, at the end of the video, we're going to show you what the car looks like after, and you can see sort of like the differences between the two. But for now, let's get the car in the workshop and get all these parts fitted. We've got the springs and spaces fitted to the Seat Leon Cupra. So coming around to the front, you can see the arch gap at the front has been reduced by about 20mm, so it fills the arches a lot better. Coming along to the rear, also drop the arch gap as well, and then also with the spaces, it pulls out a little bit. The reason why you can obviously add spaces to the rear of these cars more so than the front is because there's less of a chance of interfering with the arch on the rear, whereas at the front, you tend to have to run a little bit more camber if you want to run sort of like the bigger or the same size wall spaces as what you run on the rear. So this looks nice and nicely balanced front to rear width-wise, and then also ride height-wise as well. So yeah, aesthetics a lot more improved, and obviously fix the issue with the broken spring and the broken damper. If you're interested in having your Seat Leon Cupra look something like this, then head to the website where you can find all these products. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.